a litter box. I'll get cat food. He loves to play. I think he's teething. Ow! Oh! Stop it! He's very loving and kind. I'm saying nice things about you. Go away. He loves kids. If you have bad kids, especially let him play with them. Right, Kitty? Such a good boy. Ow! He's very affectionate and loving. What's the matter? Leave me alone. He's free. He's free. He's fixed. He has all his shots. He doesn't spray. Ow! He's a good cat. And he's free to anybody. Oh! He's free to anybody that wants him. He needs a loving home. I travel a lot. Ow! I think he gets naughty when he watches Cats from Hell. Stop it. I don't know. What's wrong? Go. This cat is stressing me out. I don't want him anymore. If you want him, let me know, and I will pack him up in a box today and give him to you for free.